The Create Selection tool makes selecting related faces, such as the faces that define protrusions on an entity, quick and easy. This is particularly useful when using features such as Move Face and Offset Surface. To access the Create Selection dialog in the Part Studio, tap two fingers in empty space in the graphics area. The context menu appears. Select Create Selection. In the dialog, the selection criteria are shown: protrusions, pocket, hole, fillets, tangent connected, bounded faces, and select patterns. Select the criteria that best fits the desired selection set. For this example, select the fillet criteria. On the part, select a single fillet face. The corresponding fillets are also selected. Select Add Selection. Close the Create Selection menu. Create Selection on mobile is available for face selections. The Precision Selection tool within Onshape is unique to the mobile app. This tool reduces view abstractions due to your finger and allows for more accurate selections. To access the Precision Selection tool, tap and hold with one finger in the graphics area. When the selector displays, drag your finger to the desired location. For instance, drag the selection tool across the edge of one of the hole features. When the crosshairs line up, a preview of the selected edge highlights. To initiate the selection, lift your finger. Repeat the previous steps to select the remaining hole feature edges. To deselect a face or edge, tap it again. To deselect the entire selection set, double-tap one finger anywhere in empty space within the graphics area. Box selection allows the users the ability to select multiple entities at once. To create a selection box, press and hold the screen with two fingers. If additional adjustments are required to the size of the box, touch and drag a corner of the box. To reposition the box, touch and drag the box with one finger. Move the box to fully encompass the entities in the graphics area. Along the bottom of the box selection tool, there are four icons: Cancel, Inside Box, Cross by Box, and Confirm. Select the inside box icon. Any entities entirely inside the selection box are selected. Switch the box selection icon to Cross by Box. All entities that cross the selection box are selected. Select the Confirm icon to accept the box selection. Using selection tools like the Create Selection tool, the Precision Selector, and the Box Selection tool in Onshape Mobile are powerful tools that can aid in your design by reducing your overall selection time and streamlining your design workflow process.